Hey everybody, Tag Life Done Free. Hey, today my goal was to go out and shoot a small video on one of Bethany's favorite tools, and so today B's going to actually review one of her favorite tools. But I kept going out there, and there was just so much shenanigans, so I left a lot of it in the video because it was just fun for me. But in the end, we're going to review a great tool that Bethany uses to tie up her vines, to tie up her tomatoes, and to tie up her peppers. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll leave links and I'll do a good description of the tool when we get to the end. So let's check it out. Come on. Well, let's go see what Miss B is up to. Looks like she's doing something with potatoes. Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Actually, I was planting raspberries and I got sidetracked. I was pulling weeds, but then I thought these are all potatoes over here, but they look like they have some kind of like damage on them. So see that? Those are like that's why. Okay. See that? So this looks like it's been chewed on. The leaf has clearly been eaten. And then the underside, we just had a lot of rain, so the moms are probably gone, but these are eggs. I've got an issue here. Look at that one. Okay, so I just smash them because I don't want to use any kind of pesticides or anything. So if we disrupt them, then they will hopefully not continue fighting. So come here, I'll show you what I was doing with the raspberries. I got a steal. I don't know if you're gonna like this, but I got a steal on some black raspberries. So I'm gonna dig this up. This is where I planted the red raspberries last year, but only a couple of them have taken. So this is the area. I'm gonna plant these black raspberries, and then I will come back and show you how I trellis them up. Stay tuned.
Well, why B's doing that, I thought I would show you guys some stuff that I've always found to be quite funny. My wife cannot pull a valuable plant to save her life. There's just nothing she's going to do to be able to do it. So she lets them go, and it drives me crazy. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, see these onions down here? Okay, so somehow these onions are left over from last year, and because she grew onions down at the side, and so she just cannot bring it to herself to pull them. Me, I would not like that. I would much rather them be the other way. And I try to explain to her that even if you pull them, down underneath just rotten and mush typically, but apparently she wants to look at them. So you know what they say, happy spouse, happy house. So I think I'm just going to leave her be. Plus the other side is if she catches me pulling them, yeah, I might wake up with my eyebrows shaved or something. But anyway, we'll get back to it. What are you doing?
Well, I just realized there's always something, I just realized that this part of the fence had not been done. See how this is not attached? And I want it.
How are you attaching it?
Oh, using your pliers. Thank you, honey. Did you know I had them?
None of this surprises me. I mean...
Well, if you need them, you know where they're at. I'll have them in the Kubota. I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. Now, just for the record, that's kind of an inside joke, because if you go in my house, my wife has confiscated a pair of my wire strippers because it takes the metal band off the end of a sausage tube. And so my wire strippers suddenly, all of a sudden, had the word B written on the handle.
Yes.
And they were no longer mine, so.
Thank you, honey.
You are still not done planting? Oh my God. You are always on vacation. Oh, by the way, my beloved bride, I always joke that I'm a caveman, but she has a stick in her hair. So why do you have a stick in your hair, Miss B?
I forgot my ponytail holder.
You forgot your ponytail holder. And so you put a stick in your hair. Now I clearly understand why the plants aren't planted. You're lollygagging with sticks. So B, what you doing?
Hey, I'm finally planting the raspberries.
Okay. I didn't know that gardening tools came from Milwaukee.
It was empty. I filled it.
So what you're saying is, much like my wire strippers, much like my hog ring pliers, you have now stolen my Milwaukee bag.
I didn't really steal it. I just
How did you not really steal it?
used it. Well, you can have it back if you need it. But I could really use it.
I don't know how you say that with a straight face with a stick in your hair. It's like super cave woman.
Come on.
Okay, so I came all the way out here so that I could do a review on a tool. Did you know that?
No.
Yes. And the tool is magically hidden in my Milwaukee bag.
Oh, yeah.
So why don't you show us your beautiful vegetable, fruit, berry tie-up tool?
Yeah.
Do you like the tool? What can you tell me
do.
about it?
It was a gift. I have no idea where you got it, but it is so easy to use, and I don't even know what you call it, really. Uses these little China staples. Look how little those are.
All right, so show it to us. What is it?
Okay. So this makes little
Okay.
rings.
Okay, so show us how this works.
Okay.
Gotta explain it.
So right now it's already set up, ready to go. I'm gonna just hold the plant where I want it, and then wrap the tape around the plant and then the item that you're strapping it to. Make sure you don't get any leaves because it'll kill the plant or that leaf. Pull it apart. And then, yeah, see, just a tiny little staple. And when these will actually, the tape will turn white, and they do tear easy. So
After how long?
well, the tomato plants, so since I just used it on the tomatoes last year, when I pulled the plants from the tomatoes this year, pulled the plants up, the dead debris, the ribbon had turned white, and I just hooked my finger on it and pulled.
And it just broke easy.
Pulled pretty easy.
So
yeah.
after a year.
Yeah. So I will probably have to come in and, well, this is going to be bushier, and it's going to need attention as it grows. So I will have to redo some of this. Oh, so to reset it, you just staple it down, and it clips it in place, pulls it open. Kind of loads it ready for the next one. And then you just snap it around whatever, pull it apart. Super easy. I don't know what you call it.
So would you give it what kind of review would you give it?
Oh, a 10.
A 10. That good, huh?
I will definitely be using this all year.
You might want to get a spare.
I have one.
How'd you get a spare?
Thanks to you.
Oh, big dog in the house.
Well, so the theory was 2 people can work together.
Oh, I thought you were going to give me this 2 is 1 and 1 is none stuff.
That too. But, you know, great conversations happen in the garden, so it would be nice. Well, it is nice to have friends come over and just work together.
Oh, excellent.
Thank you.
You all done?
Actually, yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Well, so again, this is just some black raspberry plants that I got free from the greenhouse, and then my wife nursed back, and they look pretty good, and so they're going in the ground, and we'll continue on. Oh, looks like one last one.
Yep, one last one.
Okay.
into the Milwaukee bag for you.
Yeah, we need to talk about that, by the way.
Mm.
You know, what I really expected you to say was, what's yours is mine and what's mine is yours.
Oh, that would have been
See,
a good one.
I know, right? You missed it.
No, but you're right. Thank you.
Slacker.
Thank
You can't
you.
use my words.
Yes, I can. We're a team.
All right, well, hope you enjoy my Milwaukee bag. And
I will. Thank you.
I'm going to go get busy.
Okay. Hey, leave my onions alone. I know how many are there.
Okay, so let's test her. All right, smart one. How many are there?
9. There's 9.
I don't have time. Okay, so this is the Aerotan plant tying machine. You can buy them again, as you can see here. This is just an Amazon ad that we're looking at, and come with the rolls of tape, the box of staples, and again, it's just a really great tool for tying things up. As I mentioned in previous videos, I'm not going to review anything we haven't put through at least a season. So the one that Bethany was showing you, we've been through again for at least a season. You know, it got kind of beat up a little bit, but it still seems to be working fine. I would absolutely recommend this tool. I found this on Amazon, but I've also seen them on eBay. I will include a link in the description of the video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And for you gardeners out there, this is an absolute time-saving machine. And guys, like I always talk about, you know, energy is everything. And the better we manage our energy, you know, the better we do that, the better the homestead runs. And so, you know, I'd encourage you to check it out. Again, it's been a good experience for us. Like I always tell you, you know, go out there, live a little freer today than you did yesterday. You know, just be free. Just challenge the system, challenge everything every single day. But until we meet again, hold the line, don't give an inch. Tag out.